Do dogs dream?
There's always that one guy.
TK42 Greg here.
Hey, hungry?
What up, Trash Fam? I'm Big Gun, this here Spud.
Have you ever wondered, do dogs dream? And if they do, what could possibly be going on in their furry heads? Imagine if we could peek into their slumbering minds and watch their dreams unfold.
Level 1. Bro, I think it was laced. Level 1. The good old times where the Za was still mysterious and scary. This is the level you're at if you've inhaled that magic spice only a couple times, and only so in the safest, securest, and good vibey situations possible. And honestly, while at this level, you couldn't even imagine doing anything besides eating Doritos and scrolling YouTube shorts while splashed.
Today, we delve into the nocturnal adventures of a dog named Bubba. Bubba, an adventurous canine with a love for the outdoors, embarks on dreamy escapades every time he closes his eyes. Ball, frisbee, and the great outdoors are the central themes of Bubba's dreams. They are the essence of his joy, the core of his existence, and therefore the heart of his dreams. In the dead of night, Bubba dreams of frolicking in snow-dusted fields, his fur catching flakes as they fall from the sky.
TK42 Greg here. And yes, that is my assigned transport. Technically, I'm not allowed to drive it. So last sync, I missed some updates. I guess the rebels bailed on Hoth? That Skywalker guy crashed a swamp or something, then got promoted. Endor. Supposed to be quiet, peaceful even. A lot of trees. Apparently the forest has little bear guys with tools.
Scenic patrol today. No alerts. Just me and the ferns, and a hydration goal I'm crushing, by the way. Gave me this and said, blend in. I said, I'm in white plastic.
He dreams of his favorite ball, a vibrant orb of excitement that bounces unpredictably, sending him into fits of ecstatic chasing. A frisbee soars through the air in his dreams, a flying disc of fun that he leaps to catch, defying gravity in his sleep-bound escapades. Walking and hiking are more than just physical activities for Bubba. They are a sensory explosion.
Hungry? Want me to make you a snack?
He dreams of the crunch of leaves under his paws, the scent of the trail, the cool, refreshing taste of river water. Bubba's dreams are a testament to his love for the wilderness, a love that transcends the waking world and seeps into his dreams. Bubba also dreams of his sister, his playful companion. Their dreams are a dance of camaraderie, filled with chases, playful nips and shared discoveries. Together they explore dreamy landscapes, their tails wagging in harmony. Bubba even dreams of watching dogs on YouTube. Channels like Fowler's Makery and Mischief and Ovens Rocky Mountain Bushcraft provide Bubba with hours
Hi, I'm
of
Greg Ovens,
Their canine
and this is
stars
Ovens
becoming
Rocky
familiar
Mountain
faces in
Bushcraft.
his dreams. So to summarize, Bubba's dreams are a reflection of his love for life. They are filled with his favorite things. His ball, his frisbee, the great outdoors, walks, snow, hiking, playing with his sister, and watching dogs on YouTube. They are a testament to his adventurous spirit, his playful nature, and his love for his family and the world around him. Indeed, dreams are the window to the soul, and Bubba's dreams are no different. They paint a picture of a dog who lives life to the fullest, who loves unconditionally, and who finds joy in the simplest things. Baba's dreams are a poignant reminder of the beauty of living in the moment, of finding joy in the everyday, and of the boundless love that dogs have for their world and the people and animals in it.
This is where the good bread crusts show up on Wednesdays. That gutter over there, haunted. And that bush, full of bees. Anyway, stay aware.
Okay, bag to bin ratio, trash. Airflow, non-existent. No latch, rookie move. You gotta think defensively out here.
All right, trash fam, 3 cans, no lids, air's running spicy. Could be wings. Could be sabotage.
Smells like confidence.
We've intercepted 3 pizza flyers and a scented envelope so far. We're pretty sure this one's holding out on us.
Gravity is free, so we're gonna use all of it. Let's ride!
So, next time you see your dog twitching in sleep, remember Baba and his dreams. Your dog might just be having an adventure of its own, in a world where balls bounce higher, frisbees fly farther, and every trail leads to a new discovery.